So I'll share some paper. You can take an idea. Otherwise, also you can just type Google Scholar bibliometrics analysis. You will get plenty of papers, sir. And you can take the clue from those papers how they're explaining these tables or diagrams.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I'm
Yeah,
able
yeah.
to
Thank
answer
you.
your question, sir. Any other question? Any other question? Okay, then I'm moving further. Now documents. Most global cited documents, that means which article, this particular article has been cited most of the times. So what we can do? We got an idea, so we can go to our list, we can see, acha, is bande ne kaam kya kiya, what that guy has done. So we can see these papers, at least we should read these papers, because we should know what these top 20 authors are talking about, right? So that we can also get an idea ki why they have been cited more. Because this Fernandez paper is a literature review paper, because I've done work in this particular file, that's why I know, right? So this guy has done literature review paper, so definitely it's going to be most cited, because whenever you're writing SLR paper, and that's why there are so many workshops on SLR also, only because literature review paper pulls citations also, because everybody has to give citation. So that's why bibliometrics or other kind of analysis are becoming very important. And otherwise also you can see, I think till now you have made up that you cannot fetch this kind of information without using software. By eyes you cannot get this kind of concrete or visualization, you cannot get. You now you are understanding your data, that yes, my topic is doing like this. Now you know where I will go. This is a kind of map, actually map of your topic. No other software or no other SLR technique can give you this kind of review or sneak purview of your paper. I think that here you will agree with me. Then most local cited and global cited. Again, local cited means only the papers which we have chosen. How many papers have used which paper? These 384 papers have, again, this is not working.